Choose life. Choose a job. Choose a career. Choose a family. Choose a big television. Choose washing machines, cars. Choose DIY and wondering who the you are on a Sunday morning. Choose fixed interest mortgage repayments. Choose leisure wear and matching luggage. Choose a three-piece suite on hire purchase and a range of fabrics. Choose sitting on that couch watching mind-numbing, spirit-crushing game shows, stuffing junk food into your mouth. Choose your friends. Choose your future. Choose life.
What are you waiting for?
This is not natural, man.
It's a great outdoors.